Okay, I shall evaluate this integral using partial fractions. And how does this work? Well, let's just get started by factoring the trinomial we have in the denominator here. And put an x over here, an x over there. Two numbers that multiply to -6 and add up to +1 will be +3, -2, or -2. And if you need any review on factoring, you can go to our website here. We have tons of videos on factoring trinomials. So what does this do, or what does this mean in this case? Well, I can actually split up this fraction. Let me just rewrite this into something like a over x plus 3 plus b times x minus 2. But to do that, we're going to have to figure out these values, the value of a and the value of b. And to do this, I will need to multiply the first fraction by x minus 2 over x minus 2, so I get a times x minus 2, so we can get a common denominator, right? And the common denominator would be x plus 3 times x minus 2 anyways. And the second fraction I'll multiply by x plus 3 over x plus 3, so I get b times x plus 3. And the left-hand side, of course, stays the same. Now I will expand this, so I get ax minus 2a, and expand the b as well, and distribute the b, so I get bx plus 3b, all over the same thing here. And up top we got 3x minus 1. I'll ignore the bottoms right now because obviously they're the same, right? And I know that these, the left-hand side and the right-hand side, they must equal the same thing, right, for this to be true. So it follows that if I combine the x's here, ax plus bx, I get 3x. So 3 equals, my voice just cracked. So 3 equals a plus b. Okay, because the x's are not coming out of anywhere else, so just from the a and the b, a plus b must be 3. Similarly, the -1 will be equal to the -2a plus 3b. -2a plus 3b. So now we have a system of equations here, and we need to solve for a and b. Right now, the easiest thing for me to do will probably be to multiply the top equation by 2, so I get 6 equals 2a plus 2b. The bottom I'll just leave the same. And now I can actually just, one second, I can just add them. Add the two fractions. 6 plus -1 is 5. 2a plus -2a is 0. 2b plus 3b is 5b. Then I can divide both sides by 5, and b is 1. How convenient. What about a? Well, I can plug in the 1 right here for b, and I get 3 equals a plus 1. Subtract 1 for both sides, and a is 2. Wow, that's it. So I can rewrite this integral as 2, right, which is our a, over x plus 3, plus 1 over x minus 2 dx. And I can break this down into 2x plus 3 plus another integral, and I can essentially even take the 2 outside here, have 2 times the integral of 1 over x plus 3, and then this becomes a piece of cake, because the integral of 1 over x plus 3 is just the ln of the absolute value of x plus 3. So I get 2 times the ln absolute value of x plus 3. I'm going to make the L different, otherwise it just looks like the absolute value. Plus 1 times the ln of the absolute value of x minus 2. Plus c, don't forget the constant. And that's it.